It's so hard to make friends.
Namimili ba kayo ng kaibigan?
I would say that because I've met a lot of people who did become my friends that later on I realized were not good for me.
What would it take for you to cut someone off?
Ayoko ng ma-chicks. Pag sinabi mo na ganun ka, kakat kita. Kasi I don't want the devil surrounding me.
I do think that having friends who give a positive influence is really gonna make you want to stick with them.
Ang guy friendships, hindi kami ma-vocal. Kasi nga, tinikip namin.
Or like it can only happen because girls are so freely vulnerable with each other.
This is the difference between male friendships and female.
You don't say that, bro. Di ba?
Is having a girl best friend and a boy best friend okay?
Okay lang?
Yeah.
If they know their boundaries.
Medyo naninibago ako. Wala kasi akong babaeng friends. Speaking of friends, pwede bang girlfriend o boyfriend yung kaibigan? Good day, VOPs! Andito tayo ngayon sa magandang episode natin ulit. So we're gonna talk about friendships for this video. I am Attorney Anselmo.
And I'm Aaron.
And I'm Inka Magnaye.
Yes.
And this is POV. Tapos na agad. Okay. O sige. Friendships tayo ngayon.
Yes.
Speaking of, before that,
sige.
how are you? How was your week?
Busy. Tinatanong ako nila, sir, sa likod, kailan ang busy months ko? Ang busy months ko, bare months. Baka kayo ganun din.
Same.
Grabe yung buwan na to. Wala masyadong labas, wala masyadong
Are
travel.
people suing each other? Bare months? I don't know why.
Sunod-sunod talaga ngayon eh. So ngayon, tapos sunod-sunod yung trabaho this month. Mula September hanggang December.
Right.
Tapos pahinga siya mula January, the rest of the year. That's how it works. Pero sa court, nag-court na ako, sorry. Sa court kasi, ang June, July, walang masyadong work. Inventory yun.
Interesting.
In-inventory mga cases and everything. Ganun. Pero yan, maraming work yan. Malamang kayo, maraming work kasi Christmas.
Yeah.
Yes.
You, how are you?
I'm good. I'm a little tired because I came from Davao last weekend.
How was that?
That was really fun. I did not expect the Davao crowd to be so... Okay, first of all, we performed in the mall. Puno na nga yung seats where people purchase tickets.
Yeah.
Tapos may mga tao sa second and third floor na kumakaway sa amin.
Wow!
So it
Marami
was
kayong fans.
Crazy.
I love that.
In Mindanao, which
I'm
is just,
so happy.
Thank you.
For the
thank
success
you.
of Spit.
And then we flew
Ilang
back.
days yun? Sorry.
That was one show lang. So we had the show on Friday. We flew in Thursday. Show on Friday. Tapos 6 a.m. yung flight namin on Saturday. And then Saturday night by show pa kami.
Oh my God.
Lagari.
Super laga. So that's why I'm a little tired. But
Grabe.
good. I'm very excited for this trajectory of Spit. And in my head, sa January na ako magpapahinga.
Yeah.
Really?
Pati Pasko.
Okay.
Yeah.
Work din, di ba?
A little bit.
How about you, Inga?
I'm actually taking my break now. So in January, I can like hit the ground running again. Kasi sobrang laspag ko this year.
Grabe naman yung word na.
Did I use that right?
Parang,
What's laspag?
Tama naman, tama.
Yes.
What's laspag?
Gamit na gamit.
Yes.
Yun.
It is real.
Dude, I had shoots where I had to drive. Not I don't drive, but Kuya Arnold, hi, drove
To travel.
us to Bulacan. And
Where in Bulacan?
like the furthest Bulacan.
Yung mga DRT, Doña Remedios.
Oh, as in far.
Norzagaray,
Far.
okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
near the next place.
Okay, next place.
And
Okay.
yung taping namin, kasi I did a movie, The Caretakers. I don't quite know when it'll be out, but it's with Isa Calzado and Dimples Romana.
Okay.
And we would do filming up until like 7 a.m. the next day.
Ano oras ang call time?
Mga 3 p.m.
Grabe.
So, mga ganun ba na pabalik-balik, taping, ganyan. And so now I'm taking my rest. Ito lang yung ginagawa ko.
Yeah.
And it's nice because we get to talk to each other and update each other. And I feel I'm so happy that we're doing the show because we made a new friend.
Yes,
thank you
it's
so
true.
much.
It's true.
Diba?
Yeah, I heard that after a while din kasi the people that you work with are the ones that become your friends.
That's so true.
Diba?
You know what? I have friends who would message me. And they'd be like, when can we hang out? Yo, when can I see you? And I'm like, dude, trust me. I want to see you.
Yeah.
I just don't have the time. And I know people say, no, you have the time. You make your own time. Yes, it's true.
Yeah.
But I also want to make that time making money.
Yeah.
So the friends that I see
Yeah.
are my content friends.
Yes.
Why? Because we make content
Yeah.
together
Yes.
for work.
Correct.
So I literally told my friend, you want to see me? Let's make content
Yeah.
together. Plan na natin yan.
Totoo,
So,
totoo.
tanong yung ano natin. Is a friend who challenges you more valuable than one who understands? So,
In what way?
In what
Challenges
way?
in what way?
I also
yun nga
don't
eh.
know.
Like, what does that mean? Understand challenge. Paano ba yun? Parang tough love at saka...
I think so. Like for
Hindi,
example,
wag kang masyadong sensitive. Ganun ba?
or like kung ano tamad ka magtrabaho, the friend who's like, "De, you know what? You can get
yeah.
up and work today. Kasi if you work today,
Trainer.
ganito." Or someone
Yeah.
who's like, "You
Okay lang
need
yan.
to rest."
Yeah.
I get it.
I am a little bit of both. Justin and I had a call
Okay.
yesterday.
Yeah.
And then our calls lately have been like 2 hours long. Because Justin and I, we used to be kind of like, we lived close to each other before. So we
Before.
would work out like every other day in my house. So he would scoot to my house on his little electric
E-scoot. E-bike.
Hindi, yung
E-scooter.
scooter talaga.
E-scooter.
And then we would see each other every other day. And then now, because I live in Cavite and he still lives in Merville, we hardly get to see each other na.
Malayo na.
Oo. So yung phone calls namin, humahaba. 2
Yeah.
hours, mga ganon.
Valid. Valid.
Yeah. And then during that phone call, he was like, dahil akong gagawin. I need to film this, film that.
Yeah.
And then I need to write this and write that. Sabi ko, okay, friend. After you write the first one, you tell me. Sabi niya, yeah, sige, para may accountability ako. Sabi ko, okay, good. And then, you tell me after you write the first one so I can encourage you to write the second. Okay. He didn't tell me about the second.
Natamad na.
Yeah. But I feel like Just and I do that for each other. And we became close also because of work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know? But it doesn't mean I love my other friends less.
Yeah.
Diba? I
Yeah.
feel like they're just different kinds of
Kanya-kanyang
friendships.
phases ng buhay.
Yeah.
Friends mo nung college, iba na kasi yung priorities mo ngayon eh.
Yeah.
And dahil doon, nag-iiba rin talaga yung crowd.
Yeah.
Like ako, mas gusto ko talaga china-challenge ako do. Kasi andun ako sa timeline na yun ngayon. Timeline? Naging Marvel. Gusto kong alam mo yung goal-oriented na tao.
Yes.
Yeah.
Gusto ko yung like-minded tayo na. Pareho tayo. Okay lang na mag-uusap masyado. Pag nag-uusap tayo about what are we doing now.
Yeah. And do you have friends like that now?
Ganun lang yung friend. I only have one friend ngayon. Na shout out Attorney Bilton.
Oh, hello.
Yun.
Attorney
Siya lang
Wilton.
talaga yung minintain ko kasi parang sa kanya ko nakuha yung hindi masyadong distracted. Goal-oriented. Ando na tayo sa phase na yun kasi magbubuo na ako ng pamilya. Diba? Wife to be, si Attorney Kristen. So hindi na sa akin pwede yung
Pabanjing-banjing.
hindi pwede tugs-tugs.
Tama
Pwede yun.
naman.
Hang out masyado. I don't hang out na. I had
Okay.
that. Ayun. So, kaya ang friend ko ngayon, yun nga. Siya lang minintain ko
Hala,
talaga.
you know what? I feel the same way because I have friends like they are my really good friends talaga. And then
Yeah.
they're like, let's hang out.
Yeah.
When? This Thursday at 9 p.m.
No.
I'm
Yeah.
like,
Work day.
I love you. Please remember that.
Yeah.
I can't.
Iba na tayo ng faces kasi ngayon. Priorities are different. How about you?
I am so happy to report that all my friends, I have a lot of friends. And the reason for that is because, I moved to New York, made those sets of friends. And
Open ka eh.
open din ako. And for example, diba, you said you have one friend, you have a close circle of friends. I have a lot because, for example, Spit, 12 na kami. And we're with each other every single day, almost every single day.
Are you really together every single?
Almost.
Why?
Because we have
Do you have-
gigs and rehearsals. And
Rehearsals, right.
yeah, stuff like that.
Yeah.
And then of course my high school friends who have always been there, and then my friends from New York. Like I've formed a bond with many different people at different phases in my life. And I feel like they're still my friends because even if we don't text each other all the time, when we do see each other, it's like nothing changed.
Yun.
Yeah.
Yun ang maganda.
That's what I like.
Yeah.
And with regards to this, for example, my answer for this would be, who is the friend that this friend needs me to be? So for
Okay.
example,
Ooh,
I will give a good example for this.
Golden Retriever ka nga.
Yes! So I have a friend who's my bandmate, si Z.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Z does not like being challenged. I could be a friend who will
Very
challenge
Taurus
her.
of her.
Right? So she has phases where she's like, ayoko magtrabaho. I just want to stay. Ayoko talaga. And I'll be someone who's like,
Okay.
if you can't function, go ahead.
Yeah.
But if it were a different person, I would
Yeah.
probably be like, come on.
If it was
you want to
me-
buy a laptop, right?
If it was me, you'd be
yes,
like, girl.
Girl.
Yeah.
Diba you want that condo, the fancy one? How are you gonna get it? Parang ganon.
Yeah.
So
True,
it
true.
depends. Binabagayan ko siya sa friend.
Which I think is great.
Yes.
Diba?
I agree.
I don't think naman it means that you're being plastic or pretending. You're
Oo.
just like parang catering to what your friend needs right now.
Yes,
What
yes.
you know your friend needs.
Correct.
Which I think makes you a great friend.
Thank you. Thank you.
Adjust ka. Much better ka than me. Much better ka than me kasi ako talaga yun lang ang ano ko.
Which is not a bad thing.
Hindi ako masyado sa understand. More on challenge.
Not a
More
bad
challenge.
thing. Not a bad
Doon ako sa side na yun. So, para sa akin, kaya marami kang friends din siguro.
Yes.
Oh.
I accommodate all
Malleable.
kinds.
Right,
Malleable
right.
ka. Ayun,
And
so,
also, all my friends, all my friends do not want to go out past 9 p.m.
Sarap.
ano na, may edad na.
Yes. My dad, or even if they're younger, sila yung, I'd rather play board games na lang at 4 p.m.
Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah.
Same.
I'd love that.
Diba?
Yeah.
So preferences. I think
Yeah.
over time, your friendships become like the people who want to do the same things as you at the same time.
Yeah.
Yun pala. Yun, may shared interest din. Meron
Yeah.
talagang product of your environment ka. Kung
Oo,
sino
yeah.
talaga yung andun, yun ang magiging kaibigan mo for now.
Yeah.
After yan, ala ka na sa feast din, bago ka ng set of friends. Parang-
Which I think is okay. I
And-
think it's
Yeah, it's
normal.
healthy.
I'm
Yeah.
happy ngayon kasi nakakamit na ako sa content creation side. Ngayon lang, kasi bago lang akong creator eh.
Yes.
So, baka ito yung mga bagong tao kayo, mga nami-meet ko. Sila, Patrick, shout out. Diba? Shout out. Sino si Patrick? Siya yung producer ko.
Ayan.
Yes, yes.
Ayan. So, ayan. Baka yung nami-meet ko ngayon, mga tao.
Yes.
Kasi first time to, this is a new concept.
So
for
would
me.
you say that what you were looking for in a friend before is different now?
Yes. Before, happy lang.
Right. Now, what are you looking for in a friend?
No, ang hinahanap ko talaga, yung parang mga goal-oriented kami. Alam mo
Yeah.
yun, yung di-distracted.
Mm-mm.
Get naman natin yan eh. Kasi hindi mga distracted at saka hindi. Di ba?
Mm-mm.
Ayoko na nung medyo masyadong maraming distraction. So mahirap talaga maghanap ng kaibigan dahil kailangan nga, may bonding kayo lagi na inom, kain. Wala na akong time for that.
Yeah.
That makes so
I'd
much
rather
sense.
eat with my other half.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yes.
And I don't drink. Sorry, boring ako.
I don't drink.
I've lessened my drinking too.
Yeah.
So
I used to.
That's why we're friends.
I used to drink a lot. Ngayon, no na.
same.
Yeah, same. I used to be a bartender.
O, tinan mo?
Shots.
Oh, there you go.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I hate it.
O, tinan mo?
Thinking about it now, napapagod na ako.
That's nuts, dude.
yes.
That's freaking nuts.
Iba rin yung
And
friends mo
that's
nun.
why sobrang close ko with my friends from New York
Yeah.
who were also bartenders because we would drink a lot together and then form that trauma bond.
You're right. Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah.
Of drinking together all the time and
Right.
then doing stupid things. So
Yeah.
it's I think it's the time that you spend with a person and how you
So
spend
ito
with
pala, namimili ba kayo ng kaibigan niyo?
Yeah.
Namimili ka ba?
No, for sure. Kasi, diba, what you're looking for in a friend is like someone who's goal-oriented, which can I just say, let's give him snaps.
Bakit?
Because we were talking about Filipino time and he was like, I'm always late, ganito, ganyan, ganyan. And then we were like, okay, you just have to work on it. And he was like, okay. Today, he was the earliest.
the first.
The first. We walked in, I was like, ah! What the hell?
Chamba lang. I was near. Nadaan na.
Hindi. It means you're actively working on
Yeah, yeah,
yourself.
yeah.
Even
I love that.
yung timeline ng trabaho ngayon, tinatapos ko na kahit na next year pa.
Wow!
Diba? Na-motivate ako.
Perfect.
See?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
I do think that having friends who give a positive influence is really gonna make you want to stick with them.
Yeah.
For sure,
Diba?
for sure. Kasi, diba, you know what they say, you are the sum of all of
Ayun
your
na yan.
friends.
Yan,
Diba?
maganda
Something
yan.
like that. You are the sum of
Some of your parang environment.
Yes, yes. So parang you are, it's another way of saying you are who you hang out with.
Yes.
And I absolutely like agree. Not just because also na parang, not in a condemnation kind of way. It's just like you
Condemnation.
yeah, not like you're condemning them na parang masama kang tao, so masama din yung mga nakapaligid sa'yo or whatever. It's more like, birds of a feather, right? You guys are doing something similar, so naturally, you guys are gonna end up sticking together most of the time. And so to answer your question, na parang kung mapili, am I picky with friends? I am.
Yeah.
Because I feel like I need a lot of understanding.
Why?
Because I don't like to go out.
Yeah.
I find it very difficult to reply.
Yeah?
I'm so sorry. So I need a lot of understanding from my friends, wherein like sometimes I'll look at their Instagram DMs to me and I see them reacting to like maybe 20 of my stories already. Na hindi ko pa reply.
Ako din. Yeah.
I'm so sorry, guys. But you know what I mean? They understand because they know that I'm that type of person. I just really mostly keep to myself. And I only have bandwidth for Matt, my siblings, my parents, and then work, you guys, and then my two friends, Carl and Justin.
Yeah. How about you? Mukhang medyo mas open ka ata. Or namimili ka din ba?
Namimili din ako.
Okay.
Like even if I have a relatively big circle, I can look at each and every one of them and say, I am proud to be their friend. To the point na, I have so many good things to say about this person. This person is an excellent person.
Yeah.
And I would say that because I've met a lot of people who did become my friends that later on I realized were not good for me.
I was gonna ask if you've ever called anyone.
Yeah. So there are a few people that you realize like when you hang out with more people that are more suited to you. So for example, kung ito yung type kong tao, I noticed that the other friends who are less like me kind of get like medyo kina-cut off ko sila. Like for example,
like abruptly or?
Not naman abruptly. It's just that because I'm hanging out with people who make me feel so good. The people who make me feel a little alanganin, let's say they're a little negative. They talk so much shit about other people all the time. It's just complaining.
Or like the habits that you don't want anymore.
Yes. Nanlalagas yun sa akin naturally. Very Darwin-esque.
Yes.
Diba? Survival of the fittest. If you're more like... If I like being around you, I think that being around you is a positive influence for me.
Yeah.
Mas lalong magsistick ako dun.
Buti nabanggit mo yung cut off. Yun ang favorite ko.
I love cutting people off!
Me too!
I love it!
Me too! You know what? There are people who are just... Maybe when I was younger, if a friend, like if I had an FO moment...
Friendship over?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's this guy and we were super friends. We never dated or whatever. He was just like a really, really good friend of mine. And he and his girlfriend at the time broke up. And I saw how heartbroken he was. He would call me blubbering. And I would be there. I'm like, oh my God, I'm so sorry. It's happening again. So what I did was I tried to talk to the girl.
Oh.
Wow. You meddled.
Friend mo rin ba yung girl?
I meddled. Yeah, I became her friend na rin. Because they were together. I invited her over. And because I felt like, because I loved my guy friends so much and I hated seeing him hurt. So I spoke to her. I invited her over. We hung out. I was like, are you sure? Because he's a really good guy. We've been friends for like since high school. I know him. I can vouch for him. She was like, you know what? Maybe you're right. Like, I think I jumped the gun. I might be able to like
salvage.
I'll talk to him tomorrow.
Okay.
Guy finds out that I invited her over. He FOs me.
Oh.
I was like, what the fuck, dude? And then he was like, no, if you were my friend, you wouldn't have gone behind my back. She was right there and you didn't tell me. And I'm like,
tinulungan na nga kita
bro. And then he stopped talking to me and I was so heartbroken.
Sad boy reacts.
I didn't know what to do. And I remember having nightmares about that for years. It really messed me up. I'd wake up crying because he was a really good friend of mine.
Right.
We ended up patching things up
Not
years
the same as
later.
before.
Never the same.
It's never going to be the same.
Never the same. But good part is the girl became one of my best friends.
Yeah.
So it's nice. She's great. I love her. I'm so happy that I met her through him. But like after that experience, parang I pulled back from friendships because
it's a trauma response.
yeah, I think so. Na parang, you know, these people can betray you.
Yes.
Even if you didn't do anything wrong, they can see that from their perspective you did, and there's nothing you can do about that. So I think from there, I kind of stopped making new friends. And then whoever na nang lalagas na friends, okay na ako dito sa maliit na to.
That's how you improve.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's how you improve, di ba?
I guess so.
Ganun lumalago ang bulaklak eh. Minsan you need to cut off.
Yeah.
You need
The
to-
leaves.
Yeah,
the
so
leaves.
now if I have to cut off a friend, na parang I know that they did me wrong.
Yeah.
It's easy.
I don't even care anymore.
Yeah.
I don't care.
There are so many people that find it hard to do that.
Yeah, marami.
Like,
Especially sa
David.
probinsya.
Oh, and even like as close as David, like people who have done him wrong, he will still keep, you know, parang,
Bro.
it's okay, like I'll talk to him or whatever. He's not good with cutting people off. Ako,
Interesting.
You need to.
Bye.
For peace of mind din.
Yes.
Diba?
Yeah. No, kasi there are just really some people like they might not be toxic as a person. They may be.
Yeah.
But they're just maybe not good for you anymore.
Yes.
yes.
And then you just kind
and
of
that's okay.
Yeah, hindi sila masamang tao.
Oo.
Iba na lang ng priorities. Iba na
Yes.
lang kayo. Di
Yeah.
ba?
Like there's this girl I was friends with.
Okay.
She was one of those people na parang she'll stop replying, she'll ignore you for like a few, and then she'll come back, hi, sorry, I'm back.
Toxic.
Yung parang ganon. And I didn't mind it until recently, she just stopped replying talaga. She would look at my messages.
Scene zone.
Scene zone, completely. And then, parang napagod na ako.
Yeah.
So I said, hey, I don't know what I did this time, but I just wish you well.
Paano ka?
Bye.
Kaya mong kinakausap mo talaga. Ako, I won't. I will
I
just...
confront,
You confront. Ako, I will just delete. Delete the block.
I'm a little more like that.
Ako kasi, I like the finality. Na parang, I'm talking to you na, okay na tayo. I wish you well. I don't, whatever,
Yeah,
I don't care. And then I just blocked her and everything. That's it.
Okay.
Didn't cry about that one. But I think that's maybe a trauma response.
Yeah.
Pero
No,
ano,
because it took me the first cutting off one person in my youth to make me go, okay, this was hard now, but I think it'll get easier.
Yeah.
The more people I cut off, ngayon parang, you're like,
Yeah.
chut.
Dapat.
And then dami mo pa ring friends, ah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you must have had a lot of friends.
Yeah, I gave many people chances
Ay.
to be, you know what I mean? Like, because I was a very understanding person. I think I also had this when in my 20s, medyo savior mentality na if I know somebody has few friends,
Ano yun?
naaawa ko.
Ah.
And I make an
you adopt
effort.
them.
I adopt them because I'm like, kawawa naman.
Ginawa ko
Everyone
din
is
yan.
talking shit about this girl. Kawawa naman. Let me be friends with her. Only to find out
The reason why. There
Yep.
you go.
Totoo.
So, that's when I was like, okay, bye-bye.
Meron sa akin yan sa high school, sa college, sa law school.
Ooh.
Ganon.
Yeah.
Weird. Iba-ibang tao.
Yeah.
Kaya pala wala masyadong friends kasi medyo parang may pagka stalker vibes. Ganon.
Oh, wow.
May stalker vibes? What do you mean?
Paano ba? Yung sa legs na lang.
Sa legs
Siya
mo?
unang mga ganon. Bro, pakataan lalaki, Brad.
See, girls don't say, this is the difference between male friendships and female
You don't say that, bro. Di ba?
I mean, I
Pag girls, okay.
Okay, oo nga. It's
Bakit
not
pakataan
weird.
lalaki?
I can't even say it.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Gets,
No, I think,
gets.
yeah.
Why would you do that, bro? Kaya pala. Sa akin. Kaya pala.
Okay, so would you say that okay, first question, what would you say is the difference between girl friendships and guy friendships?
Ang guy friendships, hindi kami ma-vocal.
And that's why he's uncomfortable with the legs compliment.
Vocal lang ako sa girlfriend ko na magiging asawa ko. Doon lang. Kasi doon mo lang isi-share yung... Kasi okay ba sa... Di nagiging vulnerable ang lalaki normally.
Bakit?
Wala. Kasi yun ang naging yun ang naging standard para sa lalaki. Kumbaga sa aso yun ang breed standard eh. Na
But isn't that
haligi.
the reason why the highest suicide rates are found
Totoo.
in men.
Sa Japan, ganun din, di ba? Mataas
Oo.
puro lalaki. Kasi nga, tinikip namin.
Oo.
So pag may kaibigan ka, ang usapan lang natin, happy or pangarap, or paano diskarte, paano gagawin sa ganito, ganun lang. Pero yung mga deepest secrets, yung mga, ano ba,
Like being vulnerable
insecurities,
talaga, yeah. Insecurities, ganun.
you don't say that. I don't say that to other people.
Uh-uh.
Ginagawa ko yung before pero no. Kasi mga friend ko nga nun, happy, mga tugs-tugs. So mali ng crowd.
Ayun din.
Diba?
Kasi,
Medyo ganun ako dati bro. Alam mo ba, insecure ako sa ganito ko. Gana bla bla. Tugs-tugs silang tao. Diba? So
Yeah.
they did not reciprocate.
Walang depth yung friendship.
Wala.
Yeah.
Pero okay lang yung parang inom na lang natin.
I think they're, no.
Diba?
No. I think they're different kind, go.
No, I was gonna ask you, would you be willing to make friends with men who are more vocal?
And vulnerable.
Wag lang sa legs. Wag lang. Go back. Wag lang yun.
Wag lang sa legs.
Wag lang sa ganun. Pero okay ako. Like, bro, na ano ako, bawa, may problema ako sa ganito.
Yes.
Okay sa akin yun. Kasi kaya ka nga nagkakaroon ng friendship.
Oh, hindi naman
lang
kailangan sa
masasarap.
legs. Tama
There you
naman,
go.
tama naman.
Hindi lang-
Because I think with girl friendships, for example, I can be vulnerable with Aaron and I can also tell her na parang, I'm feeling so hormonal today. And then I was like,
Imagine
hold.
lalaki, sabihin,
Yes.
Oo.
pare,
And then-
hormonal ako ngayon ah. Tingnan mo, how does that work?
And then, kanina nga, before filming, I said, sorry, don't look na lang. I said,
sige.
I'm so hormonal. And then I said, here, feel.
So,
And then,
ginanon ka
sabi
siya.
niya,
Yeah,
Oo nga,
hormonal
no?
nga.
Kasi
Yeah.
the boobs of a woman, when the hormones go insane, nag-reflect sa body.
Yes.
Yeah. Hindi pwede sa guys yan.
Yes, of course.
Come on now.
Totoo naman.
Ba't naman, di ba?
Yes.
Oo, iba-iba.
Yeah, iba-iba.
Yeah.
So sa lalaki, ang parang feel kong guy talk, more on happy. 90% puro happiness. Like sports, PBA, NBA, mga golf, ganyan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
May 10% na mag-open up ng konti pag medyo palagay na sa problema.
Yes.
Pero hindi kami agad dun right from the jump, I had the problem, hindi ganun.
Ay, hindi naman
Insecure
din.
ako today,
Yeah.
hindi ganun. So, yan. Sa akin lang, ang mali ko lang noong time na yun. Kasi mali din ako ng group of friends na kasi
Nag-open up.
Oo, mali. So ngayon, kaya ngayon, talaga nag-trim ako. Kasi now, it's a new beginning for me.
Oh, that's nice. Okay,
Diba?
okay.
So kaya sinasabing mas mag-i-improve ako. Kasi
Oo.
parang basically, tinanggal mo lahat para mas magiging malaki ka later.
Making more space
Yeah.
for
Yeah.
So ngayon,
better.
kakaiba ako, to be honest with you, hindi ko akalain na mamimit ko kayo.
Yeah.
Even si Patrick, shout out bro ulit. I wouldn't think na mamimit ko kayo.
Yeah.
Diba?
I always see you two in his office, just like broing it out.
Yun.
In a bro way.
Yeah.
Yes,
Hindi
yes.
legs.
Hindi legs.
Hindi
Hindi
legs.
legs.
Walang
Hindi
legs.
legs.
Walang
Yun.
legs. Walang legs. Yeah.
Naging running ano na yung, kaya nakapantalo na ako lagi every episode. Iba-iba.
Ayaw kasi.
Yan. Kasi.
Nabawal na ako sa bahay.
Oh,
Wag na
yeah.
daw mag-legs na
Kung
shorts.
di kayo
next.
Cover up.
nag-comment,
Cover up na.
nag-shorts pa rin siya.
Anyway, basahin natin
That's
to si
very
Doctor.
interesting. So, did you know Dr. Robin Dunbar, an anthropologist and evolutionary psychologist, stated in 2023 that men are simple, shallow creatures. It doesn't really matter who men make friends with, but it's easier to do so if they also like golf or football, canoeing, or whatever it is. There's more bad news from Dunbar because men are inherently socially lazy. When they start to lose friendships, they find it more difficult to recreate them. Interesting.
Why would I
Balik
argue with a psychologist
Yeah.
and if
Yeah.
no.
No, but
Yeah.
like, what's your opinion on it?
My opinion on this one is I don't necessarily think I agree with the simplicity.
Pero hindi
Because-
shallowness.
Yeah. I agree with the simplicity because a lot of guys are like 1 + 1 = 2,
Yeah.
right? But I don't agree necessarily with being
Yeah.
with the implication of them being shallow creatures.
Pag salo kasi parang bobo ang labas
Yeah,
eh,
and
no?
very superficial lang.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't agree with that. I know he's a
Mababaw.
scientist. I'm sorry, okay? I'm just giving my opinion. It's an
Yeah.
opinion show. I think what this means is it's easier to do so if they also like golf, football, or canoeing, is because through generations, men
Yeah.
have been discouraged from being vulnerable.
Yes.
Yep.
So it has become hardwired in them because sharing and being vulnerable means it's a more feminine
trait, yeah.
attribute,
Yeah.
which was seen as negative. So for them, it now feels the safest way to make friends if you just stay on a shallow level of golf, of football, of canoeing, or whatever it is. It doesn't necessarily mean that that's all they like.
Yeah.
I think it means that that's all they feel like they can
give.
Or should go
90%
into.
happy lang. Diba? Hindi pwede yung masyadong vulnerable.
Yeah. Because there are so many men that I know na on the surface, they look like parang yun lang. Yeah. But the more you get to know them, they go deep. Yeah. They go deep. And then when you get a glimpse of that depth, they get shy. But they realize, oh shit, I'm opening up too much. Oh my God. And then they clam up. And I feel like this is a big contributor to why suicide rates in men are so high. Because yun nga, when they lose friendships, they find it difficult to recreate them. Why? Because normally these friendships that they create, they're created when you're younger.
Yes.
When you feel like you can be more vulnerable. So you have high school friends.
Yes.
College friends.
Yes.
So when you're older, it's hard to recreate that.
Yeah.
As a man.
And that's really interesting to note because, for example, like my boyfriend or even the husbands of my friends.
Okay.
Their only friends are their high school barkada because they don't want to
Same with
make
Matt.
anymore. Yeah. Yun na yun. And that's their safety net.
Yeah.
So if one goes away, if the other goes away, it's so hard
That's
to
it.
make friends.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because they don't want to put the effort to go out and meet people. So
Yeah, or be vulnerable, I think is the biggest, because for girls, diba kanina you said, madaming mga, when you're off cam, paraming mga backstaban, diba, for girls. But I think the backstaban is the result, or like it can only happen because girls are so freely vulnerable with each other.
and invested in each other.
That
To
we can
know things.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. And so when you accidentally trust someone with
Yun.
sensitive information that they did not deserve to hear, that's where the backstaban happens. And I feel,
Nag-get ko.
diba? So parang it's not all of us. Like how it's not, parang there are just really some bad eggs.
Yeah.
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 Ang guy kasi pag di ka type, ganun hindi ka type eh.
Yeah.
Ayoko, di ka kakausapin. Ganun lang.
Yeah,
Or
that's
susuntukan. Ganun. Kaya nga, ang get ko naman na yung
1
simple.
+ 1 = 2.
Diba?
Yes.
It's simple.
Yeah.
Diba? Pag di kita type, hindi tayo mag-uusap.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Para ang women napansin ko mas open kasi kayo sa...
Yeah.
Kahit taong di nyo masyadong type, makikipag-usap kayo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I
Kaya
think,
yung guys, is hard to recreate ang
Yeah.
friendships. Kasi we don't talk kung di namin type.
correct. Why do you feel like you are... Well, I mean, are you open to like giving someone a second chance if
Yeah.
at first you don't like them?
Yeah.
Because-
Because I've been proven wrong many times.
Ayun.
That's why. That's why I'm open.
Same.
Yung parang, yuck, I hate this bitch. Tapos kausapin mo siya, oh, she's funny.
Yes.
Diba? Yung parang, oh, okay.
Oh, she's nice pala.
Yes.
Yeah.
And there
Pero
were so
mahirap
many
yan.
people that I met na ayaw ko at first and then afterwards, I'm like, oh, you're cool. It's just your face.
Wala.
Masungit lang yung mukha mo, pero mabait ka pala.
Sinasabi sa akin ni Cristel, ayaw niya ako nung una eh.
See? Second chance.
Second chances.
Second chance.
Pero ako hindi ako masyadong ganun. Yung open sa second chance.
How do you feel like you will make friends in this new phase of your life?
Siguro ano lang, the more I'm out,
Yeah.
tapos medyo like-minded ako doon sa kausap ko. Doon lang, kasi ako naman, to be honest with you guys, ang best friend ko talaga yung aasawahin ko. So lahat, for me, para sa akin, wala akong best friend na iba. Best friend ko talaga yung wife-to-be ko. Everyone else, close friends yan.
Yeah.
Ganun.
That
Alam mo
sounds
yun,
good.
Minsan usap, minsan dinner. Pero hindi yung tayo lagi ang magka-chat.
Yeah.
Isa lang. Para may problema ako sa ganito, kaya mo bang tulungan akong isolve? Mga ganun.
Yeah. I think it's important din kasi, lalo na for people in relationships, to have...
Tatay na tatay eh. No?
Tatay na tatay.
Kumpare.
Actually, I want him... You've met Matt, diba?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, I think you
Diba?
guys would get along. I think so also. David too, because David listens to this because of...
There you
si
go.
kumpare.
Oh my God, let's all hang out.
Yes!
Yung ano ko, yung dream kong PBA player. Grabe.
Sino?
Di ba yung ano mo, yung napangarap mo maging PBA player eh.
Ah!
Hindi ko na-achieve eh. Kasi yung boyfriend niya, guys,
Former PBA player.
player.
Yes.
yun. Si Matt naman, may accent pa ba siya ng Tagalog?
He does.
Hindi ko alam.
He does.
Pero,
He does.
Wala na.
He never really had, like, because he didn't grow up in Nueva Ecija. He grew up here in Manila, in QC. He's a QC boy.
Ayun. Kami may pagka-Ilocano kasi kami. That's why. Anyway,
Yeah.
yun nga. Ako more ako ngayon, matured roles. Ay, matured. Hindi.
Matured roles.
Matured attitude.
Mindset.
Matured.
Yes.
Mali pala yun.
Matured roles.
Matured
Wow.
attitude. Iba yun. Iba yun. Ibang episode yun. Pang-unang episode natin.
Ibang podcast yun.
Ibang podcast.
Ibang
mali.
podcast yun.
Matured episode. Ayan. So,
Eto, let's go back to
yan.
the cutting. What would it take for you to cut someone off?
una,
To end the friendship?
Good. Una sa akin, kapag nonsense.
Okay.
What do
Bakit
you
ko
mean by
sinabing nonsense? Sabihin, ito pala, huwag mo ni nonsense. Ayoko ng malikot. What does that mean? Ayoko nung machiks. Hindi magaslaw, iba naman yun. Ayoko ng machiks. Pag sinabi mo na ganun ka,
Yeah.
kakat kita. Kasi I don't want devil. I don't want the devil surrounding me.
Right.
Kasi ganun
Interesting.
sabi ko,
I
you're a
rebuke
product
thee.
of your environment. I rebuke that. Kasi baka mahingahan mo pa ako ng bad. Di ba? So yun una. Ayoko yun. Kasi I don't want bad influence.
No, that's great because
Yeah,
that's your way of protecting your relationship.
Correct.
Love that.
Pangalawa, ayoko nung nonsense. What do I mean by that? Gusto ko at some point, lumalalim yung usapan natin.
Yes.
Right.
Kasi ganun.
But to have deep conversations or to reach a level of depth
Tama naman
with
yun.
somebody, you need to go through
Yeah.
that nonsense to bond.
Tama
Don't you
naman
agree?
din. Kaya lang kasi tropa ko ngayon, shoutout Atty. Bilton. Simula pa lang eh.
Ano?
Talagang
Deep na.
malalim na. Like, pare,
that's nice.
opinion mo about politics? Mga ganyan na agad. Malalim. History.
O like-minded lang talaga din.
Like-minded.
Yes,
Di naman pala
yes.
nonsense. I'm sorry guys. Ang ibig ko lang sabihin, yung kayang mag-fun conversation, kayang mag-serious conversation.
Yeah.
About beliefs, about religion.
Right.
And kaya din na basketball, PBA, kaya din.
All around.
All around.
All around friend.
Hindi naman ako mahirap, kaibigan. It's just that hindi nyo ako makikita madalas kasi hindi ako mahilig dun sa mga hangout.
Yeah.
Hangout ko lang lagi yung si Crystal lang.
How about you?
I cut people off when it started, like when, for example, if we hang out and I don't feel good because of either the things that they say or the way that they behave.
Yeah.
You know, these micro things, like if they treat
Waiter.
servers like,
Yeah.
you know,
Tama
little things like that.
Maganda yung marami talagang friends to.
Yes. So I've had to weed through
Yeah.
so many types
Yeah.
of people. So
Yeah.
like little things like that. How they
Namamata.
treat other people, how they talk about other people. And if you can tell that they are happy with the way that they are, meaning you don't see like they want to change or grow, that's when I feel like I'm like,
How
For
about
example,
you?
if I'm racist, right? If the person's racist and they are not open to hearing
Yeah.
Yeah.
other stuff, and you know they're not gonna grow.
Yeah.
That's it. No need to...
No need to explain. It's just like, I don't feel good around you.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, that's
all
fine.
good.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Me, what makes me cut off somebody is I don't really hang out with people to begin with. So
Pareho tayo.
everyone
Hindi. Sabi daw, ano daw gagawin ko para mag-cut off ako? Wala nga akong kahamot eh.
Wala akong
Nag-isip lang ako. Yun ang totoo.
So me, parang I'm more like if they do something really bad to me or if I feel like ayun nga yung this person stopped talking to me and I don't know what the hell, I'm like, oh, edi wag na.
Ayaw mo ng
Oo.
roaster.
Then block.
Yeah.
But everyone else kasi, everyone else is just there until I message them or reply eh. So parang, I think mine is more like, it's less who do I cut off and more like, who do I have right now? You know what I mean?
Gets,
and then
gets.
that's who I'll just cultivate because I really don't have the energy. If I'm not, I love being on my own.
Yeah.
I love alone time. Like if I'm not with Matt
Yeah.
or my siblings or my two friends or you guys, I'm at home playing video games.
Yeah. Tingnan mo, nilay ko dito, ano ba priority mo? Una yung other half mo. Tapos sunod yung pamilya mo. Tapos yung sarili mo din. paano pa yung kaibigan masyado?
Doesn't leave a lot of time.
Doesn't leave a lot of time. May trabaho ka pa. May ginagawa ka pa.
Yes.
Ayan. So yan.
I
VOP.
like this because I can relate with this in a sense. So Fee from our VOP file says, sometimes we lose friends because we forget to nurture the relationship. Friendship, like a plant, needs care to grow.
Okay.
That's a mistake we all make sometimes. I've tried to sustain many friendships by reaching out, but I got tired of being the only one making the effort. In the end, my true friends are those who reciprocate my energy,
naman.
and that's okay.
And that's fine.
Yeah.
That's great.
I feel like I've been that person who does not reciprocate,
Yeah.
but it's not the fault of that friend.
Yeah.
It's just because I don't have the capacity anymore.
Yep.
Because I've used up all of my bandwidth
Yeah.
for the things that I needed to do.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. And I like this because, for example, with Spit, so
Ayan.
we're 12 kami in the group, right?
Dami nun.
How do you maintain a friendship with 12 people and keep it? So with Spit, because we're friends
Okay.
and we work together, and the main driving force of our work is the fact that we're friends, we actually hire and outsource team building. We make sure that we do activities together.
That's cute.
Like we
Camping
really put we put the effort in it because
like a
we know,
relationship.
yes, and we know this friendship, it's what makes people like us.
Yeah.
Like we work well together. We've honed that craft already. Yes, we're still
Yeah.
growing, but it's the friendship, people seeing how close we are. That's what makes people want to watch us. And so we work on it. We pay, you know what I mean? We pay for sessions to keep the friendship alive. And it's been working great
I like
for
that.
us.
I'm going to take that.
Yeah.
I'm going to take that. Because that's how I feel Justin and I are.
Okay.
People, like, I love my friendship with Justin. And people
Yeah.
love our friendship
Yes.
too.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
even if we don't make money from it, we do.
You do.
We do.
You do.
So you're right. Investing back in that, just team building tayo.
Exactly. Do some stuff together, right?
Yeah.
Any activities that you do together with people can keep you bonded. And so
Yeah.
I think that's how you will find friends too.
Oo.
Diba? You have to do stuff
Yeah.
with people.
Ayun. Hindi din kasi ako mahabi na tao.
Yun.
Ngayon lang ako nagkakahabi.
What's your hobby?
Before, ma-video games ako.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We
Pero
talked
nag-stop
about
ako
this.
Kasi nasisira yung buhay ko, di ko kaya itigil.
Go back. Ano mo lang. You know,
Hindi kaya.
Balance
Hindi
lang.
kaya. Pokemon lang eh. Pokemon lang. Hindi na ako makaalis doon sa upuan ko kasi hindi ko matapos. Kailangan makuha ko yung 6 na Pokemon. Ganun.
Pause.
Pause.
Yes.
Pokemon.
No, pause.
Ay, hindi ko kaya.
The button.
Akala ko pause kasi may sinabi akong masama.
Hindi.
Kasi medyo malapit. Kaya inulit ko Pokemon, sabi ko. Kaya inulit ko. Akala ko pinaka-pause ako for a different reason. Hindi. Pokemon na laruan.
Yes,
Okay, laro.
yes.
Hindi ko kaya.
That's what I thought too. So before, parang that was my initial hobby.
Yeah.
So video games, reading books, skateboarding, and
Ang cool naman ng skateboarding.
Oh, thanks.
I got into that also
Longboarding.
before.
It's so fun.
Yeah.
And then after a while, I stopped playing video games kasi in my head, I was like, this is going to take up too much of my time. I need to adult. I need the time to work.
Yeah.
But after a while, I felt like I lost a hobby.
Yeah.
Without the video games, I would think, what are my hobbies?
Yeah.
I can't think of any. So all the hobbies that I felt like I could do were things I needed to take up first. And before it becomes a hobby, you have to learn it pa. Na
Yeah.
parang, that's not a hobby then. That's a class.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So I started going back into video games and watching anime. Kasi before, ayun, isa pa yung watching anime,
Yan.
reading manga, playing video games. I stopped all of those things
Pareho
because
kami.
I would get
Pareho tayo. Pati yun.
because I would get so focused.
Yeah.
I'll binge watch a season. Ganon. Basta. I'll really like ano. But I got back into watching anime. I got back into reading manga. I got back into playing video games. But I allotted time. So I would say na parang, okay, I'll wake up, have coffee, and I can have coffee and play my video games until 11. And then after that, I need to work. And then
Hindi
I
kaya.
will stop.
Kailangan ko ng ano rito.
Just straight up, di
Kailangan
kaya.
ko ng ano rito ng coach para matigil. Sabi ko sa'yo, Pokemon lang. Yung luma pa.
Yeah. But after I did that, I started to feel like myself again.
Yes, it brings something back, ano?
Yeah.
It brings something.
Na, wala, I have no choice. I need to control the time.
Okay.
Because I need to be productive pa rin. But doing the hobbies that I used to do really made me feel like myself again. I felt that authentic energy na parang, oh my God, this is what was missing in my life. So that's why I enjoy being alone.
Okay, bibili na ako ng PS5.
Crystal, I'm so sorry.
Kaya di ako bumibili dahil
Inka, mag-sorry ka kay Crystal.
Sorry, Brenda!
Ayan.
Yes, good job. Sorry.
Ayun. Sa hobbies ba namin meet ang friends?
Yes.
You know what?
Yes.
Improv, so I teach improv, right? Improv has helped so many people gain and maintain like solid friendships because it's an improv class. So at first, you get to know each other in the first level. And then you're creating things together. Diba? Nagko-collaborate kayo. You're doing improv stories, improv songs all together. And if you continue to do something that you like all together, that friendship is really bonded. Not just by who you are, but by what you want to achieve together.
Okay.
So ang daming tao that joined our improv classes and left saying, wow, I made the best friends ever. And it's because they're doing something that they like. And they're making time. Kasi class.
Yeah.
You make time to see each other every week. And then after that, kumakain pa kayo outside.
Yeah.
So it's a forced interaction that turns into an organic friendship.
Yeah. Lalo na now when as adults, we really need to do that to our time to be able
Correct.
to do anything or else we will just be working.
Correct.
Yep.
Correct.
We'll just be working this whole time.
Yeah.
So did you know,
Okay.
my darling Vops, the study conducted by Jeffrey Hall, published in the Journal of Social and Personal Relationships in 2018, investigates the amount of time required to develop friendships and categorizes them into different levels of closeness.
Okay.
First, casual, 40 to 60 hours.
Okay.
Second, friendship, 80 to 100 hours. And finally, close friendship.
French.
Close friendship. More than 200 hours.
Okay.
Interesting.
So they
So
actually
just
quantified it.
to, I'm trying to compute in my head if these close friendships were formed in the improv class. So let's say that's 3 hours a week
Yeah.
for 8 weeks.
24.
So that's 24. That's level 1.
you.
There are 5 levels. 24 times 5.
Ewan ko na. 120.
120. That's already above
Oo nga.
friendship.
Close friends na.
Yeah.
Oh.
So just in those improv classes, you have gone to 120 hours. That's above a regular
Magla-lunch pa.
friendship. Magla-lunch pa. So naging close friends na talaga.
Yeah.
If we're basing it on this study,
Naka-
the improv classes that you attend can become close friendship just from taking the classes.
Pero, you need to have a good bullshit meter, ha?
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
I've met
Yeah.
and become fast friends with people who turned out to be toxic as
Yun nga eh.
So,
Yun nga eh.
pwedeng close friends,
True.
diba? Pwedeng fast friends. But are they real friends?
Yes.
Diba? Just because you're close with them doesn't mean they're your real friends.
Yeah.
Just because you've been friends for like a long time doesn't mean they're not actually bad people. They're just like biding their time.
Siya. You know, it's
May ganun.
it's hard.
Yeah.
People
Ano
are
lang.
different. We
Yeah.
don't know.
There's this
we don't
this
know.
video. There's this group of photos that I saw. Nah, this person was like, they tried to ask for their money back kasi the friend borrowed it, and then the friend who borrowed the money, they were like, "Why do you keep asking me? I don't have it. Okay, geez, I'll send it to you tomorrow, and then." Bye. And then
Siya pa yung
blocks her.
galit.
Yeah. Eh, siya pa yung humiram.
Yeah.
Oo.
And I know ang daming ganon.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Guys, dito ako nag-viral.
Okay.
Sa
Talaga?
utang. Yeah,
Okay.
doon ako nakilala.
Okay.
Okay, so
Kasi
explain.
nagpapautang sa ano sa kaibigan.
Hmm.
Tapos verbal lang. Paano gagawin? Sabi ko kako, verbal yan. Paano mong i-enforce yan? Ang hirap, di ba? So sabi ko sa kanila, kung magbibigay kayo ng pera sa kaibigan nyo, donation.
Yes.
Huwag pahiram. Kasi pag nagpahiram ka, hindi na kaibigan yan. Transaction na yan.
Yeah.
At ang nangungutang, hindi kaya niyang is-differentiate ang kaibigan at saka yung transaction. Kasi
Yeah.
pag sinamahan mo ng pera yan, ibang usapan na yun.
Yes.
That's it.
Kasi masusubukan ka na sa pera eh.
So you don't lend.
I don't. I give na lang kung ano kaya ko. You donate.
Same. Never lend money that you are not okay to lose.
Correct.
Yeah.
Basically.
Yun maganda. Sinabi
Diba?
na ni Crystal na pag nagpautang ka, expect mo hindi na babalik.
Yeah.
Totoo. Si Matt nga asked me kasi someone messaged him asking to borrow.
Yan.
And then he was like, what do I do? Kasi this is a person that he sees pretty often, kind of regularly. Sabi ko, just give. Just tell them na I don't normally lend. So I'm giving you money, but this is a one-time thing. I hope this helps. You don't need to pay me back. Good luck. Ganon. That's it.
That's good.
Diba?
That's a good way to do it.
Because it's hard. Like you have nakatali ka sa taong to na ano, and then there's an expectation. It really corrupts the friendship. I never lend.
Yeah.
I never lend money. I also try not to give. Because even if you give and you don't expect anything back, that's already a power dynamic
Yep.
shift.
Correct. Yun ang gusto ko sabihin. Once may pera ang involved, hindi na pareho yung relasyon nyo.
Hindi na. Hindi na talaga. So, as much as possible, I will not lend. Like, for example, let's say Justin needs money. He's not even gonna ask me.
Yeah.
Ganon. If I need money, I won't even ask him.
Yeah.
Because I don't want that friendship to change
Correct.
at all.
So, to be honest, bababa ka. In totoo. Bababa
That's
ka
just
sa
how it is.
relationship din. Ganun talaga.
Yeah.
Sinamahan mo ng pera eh.
Yeah.
That's just how it is. I will not. I will not.
So si
Neely.
Neely?
Sabi niya,
Neely.
Nielay. I think if money is involved, I had a best friend of 3 years back in college. My family began losing money. It started with 3K, then 2K, then 10K. And we found out through hidden cameras it was her who was stealing the money.
Klepto.
We were never friends ever since then, even though she tried to reconnect. She works as a tutor now, but scams her clients. She's also scammed the wife of a celebrity who wanted her ex-BFF as a tutor.
That's it.
Klepto.
That's not even just a money thing. That's a
not
disease.
lending.
That's a crime.
Iba na may atin, lend yung sinasabi natin. Ito naman, theft na to eh.
Yes.
You know what that's called?
Ano?
It's the 5-finger discount.
Yeah. What?
Ayun, tinan mo.
Correct.
May bago ka natutunan ngayon.
But yeah, when money's involved, it gets really tricky because I don't know, it becomes very personal. Eh?
Yeah. I would say money changes people, but Matt told me, no, money doesn't change people.
It
money
amplifies.
Money and power don't change people. It just reveals who they have
Really
been.
are.
Yeah. This whole time. I have a friend who was scammed by her manager. Like, they called each other sisters. Like,
Okay.
sestra, ganito, ganyan. I'm your ate, sabi ng manager ng friend ko. I'm your ate, I'll take care of you, ganito, ganyan, ganyan. And being the manager, sa kanya napupunta yung bayad first. So, she can take her manager's cut and then give the amount to my friend. My friend trusted her manager so much because they developed like a good bond. Yung ganon, close friends, fast friends, spending all their time together because of work, because of like all these shared experiences. They became close friends. So much so na yun nga, sisters nga yung tawagan nila. It started with, yun nga, ganon. It started with 1K, 2K, and then the manager was like, ay, hindi siya tumitingin.
Yeah.
Because my friend trusted her. Hindi naman niya alam na parang,
Kukunin niya.
yeah, diba? Because they established that
The rapport.
the
Yeah.
rapport, the trust, until it became 100K.
Ayun na.
And
Ano yan, hindi
across-
sinasabi sa'yo? Yung kinukuha, ninanakaw talaga o bago ibigay sa'yo, binabawasan niya na talaga? Sabi
Binabawasan
naman,
na.
Binabawasan talaga.
Oo.
Okay.
So parang
Damn.
instead of just getting the cut of the manager, she would get more.
Ah.
And then hide it as like, this is for
May
tax.
expense.
Oo, ganito, ganyan. Minsan, hindi.
Get.
Minsan, yeah. And for 2 years, this happened.
Oh, 2 years.
Until nag-check yung friend ko. Because someone told her, can you check? Kasi mali yung bayad sa akin.
Ayun.
Tapos pagtingin ng when they calculated everything, 3.5 million
Ayun.
across 2 years
Ang nakuha.
ang nakuha ng manager.
Damn, dude.
Crazy. That's why I was saying,
So-
even if close friends, di mo pa rin alam.
Yeah.
So ano ang, parang sa akin, opinion ko dyan?
Don't make friends.
Depende, pag business relationship ang simula, dapat yun ang mas mananaig.
Yeah.
Pag
maybe.
business ang relationship na pinagsimula,
Work is work.
work is
Yeah,
work.
work is
Pag
work.
friends friends are friends. Pag pinag-mix mo pareho yan, yun ang recipe for disaster na tinatawag.
In fact, I have some friends who I consider very close to me.
Okay?
And they're like, do you want to do business together? I'm like, no.
No.
But there are also friends that when they say that to me, I'm like, yes.
I think it depends talaga.
It depends.
Like for example, Tita Adi, she's my handler.
Okay.
And she and I work so well together. Even
I
if
see
we're family.
Yeah.
We work so well together because she and I know work is work.
Yes.
We don't take it, there's
Personally.
no personalan. She can call me out, I call her out.
Yun ang hirap sa iba, hindi kayang separate yun.
Yeah.
Kaya ako ayoko na eh. Pag ayoko na ng friend na magiging ka-partner
But
ko.
you and Cristel work together.
Iba yun kasi...
How does that go?
Okay yun. Kasi magiging mag-asawa kami. Okay yun.
So any money she takes still goes back to them. Kukuha lang ako ng pera. Sa atin naman to eh.
Hindi. Siya okay. Pero anyone else na ano namin kamag-anak, whatever, no.
Understood.
No na.
Yeah.
Kasi pag hinaluan mo ng, para sa akin, pag nahaluan ng pera, nag-iiba eh.
Yeah.
Iba, di kaya...
And I think that's where this is where the different categories of friends fall into. Diba? Like you said,
Yes.
but there are people that if they say let's do business, you're like,
But you're my friend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But there are some people na friend mo din, but they're like, let's do business. You're
Yeah.
like, yeah.
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 I
then-
mean, look at us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Diba?
Amen. And for you naman, you said diba na you opened up to the wrong people kasi naging vulnerable ka sa tugs-tugs friends mo.
Yeah.
Which really doesn't match.
Yeah.
Diba? So, would you say there are different categories of friends?
Yeah. Hindi, para sa akin, kailangan ma-delineate yung pagkakaibang acquaintance at saka friends. Para sa akin kasi ngayon, masyado na nadadilute yung salitang friend pag friend ko to. Friend ko yan. Hindi ganun. Iba. Acquaintance mo lang yan, Brad. Kung
Yes! No, you're right. Let's not be afraid to use the term acquaintance.
acquaintance.
Yes.
Ito, kakilala ko. Yun lang yun.
Correct.
Yeah.
Hindi mo kaibigan.
Correct.
Malalim kasi kaibigan. Pag sinabi mong kaibigan,
You went through it.
Di ba? Meron kayong shared moment together. Hindi yung na-meet mo lang sa party. Friends na kayo. Hindi ganun.
Yeah, iba
So
yan.
para sa akin, pag sinabi mong friend, sa akin ngayon, serious yan.
Correct.
Yes. Like we're
Okay.
invested in each
I'm
other.
we're invested in
I can
each
worry
other.
about you.
Yun.
Mga ganon.
I can help you.
Yes.
Di ba?
Like
Pero-
if you need something,
Yeah.
sure. Let me know.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah.
Not money.
And
Ano
it
nga
takes a while to get to that, I
Yeah.
feel.
I agree. Because like I would not, I have friends, okay, acquaintances. And acquaintance is not bad, huh? Acquaintance is not a bad thing to be.
Yeah.
So I have acquaintances whom I love. They are such a joy to be around. And I met them tugs-tugsing in my 20s, you know? And I definitely will not open up to them.
Di ba?
And that's fine. It's not against them. It's not because they're bad people. It's just because we haven't formed that bond. But I have friends who are really good friends that I know I also cannot open up to. Not again by fault of whatever they did. I just know they're not those people for me. And that's okay. That's not bad. In the same way that I am not that person for friends of mine. And that's fine. I don't take it against them. But there are people I can open up to na, I can tell them, I can call them when I'm crying. And they can call me when they're crying and all that stuff.
Di ba to si Justin, recent mo lang siya naging friend, di ba?
Yes.
Hindi naman siya yung childhood eh. Di ba?
No,
See?
yeah, definitely a recent friend. And what I love about what Justin and I have is in the same way that how Matt and I started our relationship, Justin and I were kind of the same. We promised each other where we're like, hey, if I'm being a bitch, call me out. Sabi niya, me too, okay? Let me know if I'm doing something or like, yung ganun ba? Parang may, we told each other that we would be honest and transparent with each other, basically.
That's good.
Yeah. And that's part of building a friendship talaga.
How about you? Ikaw, marami kang friends. Marami bang tiers yung friends mo?
I would say there are tiers, but these tiers are based on the types of experiences we've had together.
Yeah.
Okay.
So there are people that I don't see so much, but because we've gone through so much stuff together, every time we see each other,
It's fine.
Yeah, it's amazing, right?
Okay.
The friendship is still there. But I would say my top tier friends are the ones that I see and hang out with more often because they know more about me and I know more about them. Because
What's happening now?
Yes, what's happening now.
Yeah.
That doesn't discount my other friends.
Yeah.
Na parang, oh, they're less of my friends. No, it's just we have less time together.
Yeah.
But
and it's just different.
yeah.
And that's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad at all.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
I'm excited for your friendship journey.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
Sana okay. No, kasi,
Okay talaga. Okay yan.
Yeah, I believe.
What
Especially with your awareness now.
Yeah. We're your new friends.
Yes,
Thank
yes.
you so much.
Diba?
Hindi ako, medyo naninibago ako. Wala kasi akong babaeng friends.
Yes,
Oo.
yes, yes.
Which is also something that parang normally we're kind of hesitant to like make friends with the opposite sex if we're in a
Yes.
relationship, diba?
Yeah.
But I think also it needs like you need to be especially picky. Like you know that this person is not going to cause issues.
Yes.
Diba? Or they're not going to make life difficult for you. For example, you and I being friends and you and Aaron being friends, I'm sure our first concern is Cristel.
Yes.
Yeah.
Always naman. Always naman.
Yeah. See?
So
Yeah.
consideration.
Yeah, first consideration is always Cristel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yan, with that being said, nakalagay sa...
Is having a girl best friend and a boy best friend okay? I feel like we tackled this in a previous episode.
Oh,
And
we did.
my answer will remain the same as long as there is no attraction on both parts.
But attraction is...
Tawag doon,
Where's my brain? Where's my brain?
Naglag.
Pati ako eh.
Involuntary. Okay.
Yes. Attraction is involuntary, but
Pregnant pause.
if it's there and then someone wants to act on it and you can't control that, that's
Yeah.
a two-person relationship, right?
Totoo.
So even if you
Uh-uh.
can say, I can control it,
Yeah.
if I'm attracted to him, whatever. But if the
Can
other
they?
person,
Yeah.
So
no, that's true.
it's very dependent.
I agree with you.
Ang hirap sa akin kasi nung may salitang best.
Best. Yeah. Oh, good point.
That makes sense. That
Good
makes
point.
sense.
Kung hindi boyfriend na magkadugtong boyfriend. Okay yun. Girlfriend, okay yun. Pero yung best, hirap yan.
That makes sense.
Pero kasi may ganun na eh. Diba? Kunwari, even before the boyfriend comes in or the girlfriend comes in, my girl
Duda
best
ako kasi
friend.
alam mo kung bakit. Parang
Bakit?
feel ko kasi at some point in their lives, either yung guy o yung girl nagkaroon
Nagkagusto.
sila ng kagustuhan.
That
Pwede hindi
makes
nag-reciprocate. One-way street, pero baka meron eh.
Yeah.
Kaya,
that makes sense.
ako
that makes sense.
si Bati single ako. Maghahanap ako ng girlfriend.
Yeah.
Hanapin ko yung walang boyfriend, na best friend. Kung may choice naman ako, pick of the...
No, I agree.
Yeah.
Because it's less complicated.
Yeah.
Yes, yun lang ang point ko. Ba't ko pahihirapan yung buhay ko, di ba?
Totoo. Totoo
So,
yan.
Di ba? Like, halimbawa, ba't ko gusto niya may best friend? Doon ako sa... Wala talaga.
That
di ba?
makes sense.
Yeah.
Siyempre,
No, I
kung
agree.
meron na talaga, ano gagawa natin? Di ba? Yun lang naman ang point ko. Pero halimbawa ngayon time ko, na mag-aasawa na ako, wala naman akong girl best friend, biglang magkakaroon.
Yeah.
Para sa akin, delikado yan.
Yeah. I think a girl best friend or a guy best friend, like we did talk about in another episode, okay lang
Yeah.
if they know their boundaries.
Yes.
Like, for example, I have another Justin friend. Why are all my friends Justins? Justin Quirino.
Okay. Yeah.
He's been my friend for like more than 10 years now, 11 years. I met him in 2013. And we became radio partners for like a long time. So he and I are like, we're like bros basically.
Okay.
And yung cousins niya, naging kabarkada ko. So we were always together.
Alright.
Like we worked together and then we're very similar in a lot of aspects. And I love him very much.
Yeah.
He's not my best friend.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Ayan. Ano ka na? Na-boundary ka na.
Sorry.
Dito ka, hindi ka sa best.
Sorry, Justin.
He might get mad at me. But you know what I
Close
mean?
friend.
He's my very, very good friend.
Yeah.
But the thing is, I don't talk to him every day. Like I used to before.
Correct.
I don't talk to him every day. We just update each other every now and then. Sometimes we work together. The friendship is still the same.
Yes.
Doesn't matter how long we haven't spoken with each other. When we message,
Yeah.
parang no time has passed. And that's fine.
Yeah.
That's okay. He knows Matt. Matt knows him. There's a boundary.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yun.
Even if I never liked him, he never liked me also. Parang just because we're both heterosexual and of opposite sex, may boundary.
Yes.
Yun ang
Yes,
point.
yes,
Yun ang
yes.
point.
Yes, there's always a boundary.
And I want to add to that because David actually has a lot of girlfriends.
Okay.
But the reason why this doesn't bother me is because the moment I meet them, they're all over me. And they know, parang there, I think with girls especially, there is a code that if your guy friend has a girlfriend, she gets the attention
Yep.
more because, you know, you want to be friends. If you're not friends with her, you're not friends with him.
Yeah.
That's all it is.
Totoo yan.
So they are all over me. They message me when we're in.
Yeah.
They always talk to me because they know that if I'm not their friend, he's not their friend.
I think it's a girlhood friendship.
It's a girlhood
yan talaga.
friendship thing. Like,
Yeah.
look out for each other. Make sure to show na,
Yeah. We're good.
wala ah.
We're good.
Wala. Pangit to. Pangit to.
This
Yuck.
guy.
Yuck.
Get.
Diba?
May security
Assurance.
din. Assurance. Ayun, that's the word,
Yes.
assurance.
Yes.
Like, especially when they start talking about how embarrassing he was before, malalaman ko na parang, okay, this is a true friendship. Like,
Yeah.
they don't want to take him away from me in any sense.
None of the girls ever gave you ano?
Zero.
Oh, that's good.
Zero.
good.
Always like
good.
good vibes.
Love that.
Yeah. And marami yun.
And marami yun.
Marami
Okay.
yun.
Very
Hindi lang
nice,
dalawa.
very nice.
Hindi lang dalawa. She had a whole barkada of girls. And when I met them, they were like super extra nice to me in the sense na, finally, he has a girlfriend.
Serious.
Come here nga. Yung
good.
come here.
Barkada talaga.
Barkada.
Yeah. All of my friends right now are just gay dudes. So,
Which for me is
Ayoko sanang
excellent.
tanongin Tinatanong ko yung mga, si Justin.
yeah,
Yes.
Justin and Carl.
Yes, yes.
So every time I'm just talking to them, Matt's just like, whatever. But there's nothing to worry about then with
Correct.
me. So
Correct.
Either way.
Either way.
Yeah.
either way.
So yan, speaking of friends, pwede bang girlfriend o boyfriendin yung kaibigan?
Ako no.
Oh, going from there. Okay lang ba jowain ang kaibigan?
This one for me is a hard no. But that's just me.
That's for you. Yeah.
Because for me, once you get to know somebody in
Kaya
a
tayo dito.
on a friendship level, I don't see you as someone that I can be with anymore after that.
How about you, Inga?
My first boyfriend was my kabarkada in high school.
Oh.
But that's about my only experience with friends to
I have a
jowa.
question. Like mo na ba siya initially nung mag-friends pa lang kayo?
No,
So you learned.
I learned. But
Siya-
now,
Okay.
none of my friends I am interested in. But that's because I'm in a relationship
Yeah.
mindset na
Yeah.
And they're gay.
and then,
And they're gay. Come on. Gay.
I mean, that could be a factor.
Yeah.
no, but you know what? Even if I was single, I think I know. Yeah, kasi before Matt and I were dating, there was a whole year where I was
Okay.
single, and none of my friends I wanted to date any. I didn't want to date any of them. So
Okay.
yeah, I guess I didn't want to date any of them.
Okay.
Ikaw?
Sa akin, okay lang ba jowain? Sa akin, kung may pagkakataon, kung may chance ka, as a guy, kung papatalunin tayo out of the friend zone, why not coconut?
That makes
Kung
sense
papatalunin
also.
ka. Ang tanong, like, tinan mo kung ang friend mo si Arin, papatalunin ka ba? Mukhang hindi. Kaibiganin mo na lang. Ang sa akin kasi, ba't mo kakaibiganin?
What is the intention?
Yeah. Medyo deceitful ka din Deceiving ka din
Love that.
There you
Deceiving
go.
ka at the same time, nakapakita mo, wala kang confidence. Kasi ba't mo kailangan, yun lang naman sa akin.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Kung type mo talaga, iba yung nagka-develop na, wala naman kayong type sa isa't isa, biglang nagka-develop kayo. Pero pag type mo na, tapos kakaibiganin mo,
Yeah.
sino takot?
True.
That's true.
Ikaw.
That's true.
So why would she respect you? Yun lang naman. Okay lang ba jowain ng, eto maganda.
Lalo nang hindi.
Okay. So, caveat.
Ayan.
Ay, sorry.
My barkada.
Ayan.
Okay, I have a kabarkada
Oh.
who married the ex-boyfriend of our other kabarkada. But caveat, high school sila nung magjowa sila. So it didn't mean so much to this friend.
Ilalagay ko sa Jollibee advertisement yan. Jollibee yan sa Valentine's. Yun yung commercial.
Ano?
Magjowa sila, tapos nag-break, tapos yung bagong best friend ng lalaki, naging asawa yung ex niya.
Oh, interesting.
Pang Jollibee story yan,
Pang Jollibee
real life yun.
story.
Wait, so when they were in high school,
So okay, let's say, girl and
Bro.
guy, friend and guy were together in high school.
Friend and guy.
Let's say A and this boy
Okay.
were dating in
Let's
high
say
school.
us. Let's
Okay.
say the three of us.
Okay, then.
Okay,
Okay.
let's say you're the boy, right?
Okay,
You're the
sige.
boy. You and I,
You're the boy.
You're the boy. We dated in high school.
Ako girl. Ako nalang
Kanina
nag-isa
pa
dito.
tayo ganito,
Kanina
ah.
pa to First episode pa to.
No, but like, for example, if we were together in high school and we broke up, pero okay naman kami, friends.
Oh.
Suddenly, years later,
How long were you guys together?
not long.
Sabihin mga 1 year.
Let's say 6 months,
6 months.
7
Okay.
months.
Okay.
Pero okay tayo.
Okay.
You suddenly liked her,
Magbarkada kayo.
magbarkada kami.
Delikado to. Oo.
But you asked me first, hi, this guy, June is going for me. Are you okay with this? If not, I
Nako.
won't. But I'm like, okay lang naman. We're cool. So go ahead. And then you got married.
When did we become friends in high school? Were we friends in high school? Or
Yeah. We were
Ah.
barkada. You
Nako.
knew us.
No.
No, ako din.
Ah.
Alam mo, siyempre, mag-feel bad ka. Siyempre, sabihin mo sa kanya, yes, kahit na para sa'yo, no.
Because I'll always think that
Yeah.
this is me lang.
Yeah, yeah,
I'll
yeah,
always
yeah.
think that you were eyeing me this whole time.
Yun.
Ah.
Ano
That's
ako?
what I'll
Abangers.
Abangers.
Interesting.
Because that's what I'll think.
Ah.
I mean, that's what-
Ako, to sa akin sa akin dyan. Ang sa akin dito, kahit
Hell
naman
no.
magtanong ka sa kanya ng pase, siyempre mag-yes to.
Oo.
Siyempre,
I
single
wouldn't
naman,
even-
di naman na kami dalawa. Ano karapatan ko mag-no?
I wouldn't even ask. And you shouldn't even ask me.
Interesting.
Ew. Sorry to your friend. Sorry.
So,
Yeah,
sa,
yeah,
sa akin,
yeah.
akin para sa akin, dapat din lang niya tinanong. Talaga kung type natin, okay na yun.
Oh,
Sige.
just stay the away from that friend group,
Yeah.
dude. Sorry. You're married.
But looking, I mean,
Hindi, I'm just saying.
with how it came out naman.
Of course, I
They're
can't judge
okay.
their
Everyone's great.
dynamics.
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Everyone's great.
Di ba?
I'm
I don't-
happy
Yeah.
for you guys.
Yeah. We don't know them naman personally. So,
Yes.
alam niya relasyon nila. I'm just
Yes.
saying, pag abstract na example na ganito,
Oo.
parang no para sa akin.
That
Parang
makes
kung
sense.
Kung ako ikaw, hindi ako ikaw. Kung ako ikaw, magtatampo ko. Kahit na sinabi, kahit nang hingi ng, point ka, nang hingi ng pahintulot sa'yo,
Oo.
yung friend mo, magtatampo pa rin ako back of my mind.
Oo. Kasi
Oh,
ganito.
interesting.
If you guys were together in high school and then he asked me out, we're friends, but we became friends in college or at work,
Yeah.
then
After
that's
the fact,
different. Oo.
Ah.
Kasi it doesn't
If
mean that
during.
he knew me
Yes.
Oh, wait.
when you guys were together.
I'm sorry. Now that I'm thinking back, you weren't my barkada in
Ay,
high
naman
school.
pala.
Okay.
After
Tama,
the
tama,
fact.
tama.
Okay, okay.
Pero pag
College
during,
na.
Okay.
Tama,
Okay.
tama. Okay.
Pero pag
We're all
during,
good.
medyo mainit sa akin yun. Bawa, lalaki si
yeah,
Inka.
yeah.
So, ikaw. Tapos, tayo nung una. Tapos, ginawa ka niya, magkapakasal kayo.
Mm.
Iminahal ko din yung babae, tapos biglang tropa ko pala yung magiging
Ooh.
And then, for example,
husband.
tayong dalawa. Kasi
Bro.
kayo dati, when we're married, I'll probably also think, does he miss her?
Oh, interesting.
Diba?
Pang ano to, Ben and Benakanta to. Katang isip tata ito.
Eh, how about
Anyway,
this? Have you ever had a friend who flirts with your partner? Ina mo!
Meron sa'yo?
Wala.
Okay.
But if that
Oo.
happens,
Wala sa akin.
Dude,
elbow.
yung parang I had to ask them to stop texting each other at night because that's supposed to be my time. Yung ex ko nun, that was supposed to be our time together. That we're bonding at home. We're watching movies and then you're like,
Ay, edi, iba yun. Mentally.
and then I
changing.
love you, good night.
woo!
And then I ask, can you stop texting like past 6 at
Actually-
least so I can have time? He's my best friend.
Actually, red flag yun yung natatawa
Yeah, that's pretty
habang
bad.
nagte-text.
Yeah. My best friend. I should be able to text him anytime I want.
That's,
Disclaimer, she and I fixed things already. We fixed things na. We're good.
Ano si, ano, no?
I'm just, it's part of the history. I just have
Yes,
to tell
it's
the
the
story.
lore. It's
no,
the lore.
No offense.
Pero
We're
Inka,
good.
ano ka, no? More on mahilig kang mag-mend talaga.
Mend.
Mend ng
Mend.
relationship.
Like you
yung
don't
inaayos
think-
mo talaga.
Oh yeah, no. I messaged her.
Ikaw ba ganun ka? Ako hindi. FO na lang.
ganito ako.
Yeah,
Ganito,
okay na yan.
June.
Stop na.
Ganyan.
Yeah.
I messaged her.
Yeah.
I asked why.
Yeah.
What's happening?
Ano ka,
I heard her side. That's how we mended.
I ain't hearing it, bro. I'm
Yeah,
not hearing
no,
that.
me also.
Ako depends. Kasi
Yeah.
I have na parang no. But
Yeah.
this girl,
Yeah.
we talked and we're good.
Naayos na.
Yeah.
Ayan,
But
so,
this is such a yuck. Like, why would you flirt with a yuck?
Yeah.
For me, at
Yeah.
least me and my friends.
Yeah.
For example, crush
Yeah.
lang let's say, you'd say, I have a crush on this guy. To us, and I don't know if it's like I don't know how our minds work,
Yeah.
pumapangit siya to us.
Same.
Because crush mo siya.
Same.
Kahit na dati, medyo attracted ka din.
Yung parang wala kang opinion. Let's say, wala kang opinion on this guy. Tapos sasabihin na, oh my God, I really like him.
Automatic.
Automatic,
Yeah.
ay pangit yan for me.
Parang, okay, yeah. Go, he's cute.
Go
And
job.
then,
Good job.
okay.
Uh-uh.
Yeah. No,
At
I agree.
most, I'll be like, yeah, he's cute.
Yeah.
But
Ang
to
hirap
me,
pa, paano ko ikaw
hindi
yung
na.
type eh.
Yun nga So that's the problem there.
Ayan. Bakit kaya nagiging problema ng couple ang group of friends ng jowa nila? So basically, yung mga tropa nung girlfriend o tropa nung boyfriend, nagiging problema ng girlfriend yung group of friends nung lalaki. At nagiging problema ng
so
group of
parang
friends.
it becomes a point of stress in their
Yes.
relationship,
Yun.
the friend group.
Yung masyadong ka nag-spend ng time sa mga tropa mo, yung mga ganun. Something like that.
Oh, yes. I read about this. So Acorn says, I have a set of friends formed during our training at
Okay.
work. There are 4 of us, 2 straight women and 2 lesbians.
Okay,
We're
we are so
super
close.
We always go to lunch together, drink after our shift, go
and
malling.
pag-
Then one of my friends na lesbian, may nagustuhan ng girl sa
Sorry.
work namin. But this girl ay hindi kami bet to
Okay.
begin with.
So, ang
So ang
ending-
ending, mas pinili yung friend namin si girl over us.
Maybe that's life.
Yeah. And I think it is.
It is life. Well, on the girl side, diba, hindi kami bet to begin with. I don't know what the reasons are.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe she saw something in you guys that she didn't like, or she didn't feel.
Nasabon pa si Acorn.
Diba?
Oo
Sorry,
nga.
Acorn.
Or-
Or-
maybe she's manipulative
Yeah.
and wants complete attention of this friend of yours
siya?
and doesn't want
Yeah.
to compete with you guys. So, sinabi na lang niya, hindi kayo bet.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Pero,
And what's bad about that is I feel like
ano?
this person feels so bad na pinili ni girl, yung ibang girl. But that's not a reflection on you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is a reflection on the choice of your friend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, I mean, yes, of course you'll feel bad, but if you feel like this is bad, the girl will learn the lesson on her own. There's no way you can control
Yeah.
how your friend treats you or picks
Yeah.
someone else. So,
Totoo.
At the end of the day, adults na kayo.
Yeah.
So, yun ang pinili niya.
Yes.
The girlfriend over you guys. So, we move on.
yeah.
Yeah.
So sa akin, ang opinion ko, talagang may mga ayaw kasi, gusto talaga ng ako. Ayaw ko rin ng masyadong maraming friends on both sides. Kasi gusto ko, isa pa lang love language ko, di ko nabanggit, quality time.
Yes, I love that.
Gusto ko magkasama lagi.
Lagi?
Lagi.
Yeah.
Lagi.
Yeah, yun ang kakaiba. Gusto ko magkasama kami lagi. Naniniwala po ba kayo na hindi dapat sinasabi yan ang totoo yan? Ang away magjowa sa kaibigan. Oo, kahit nga sa magulang, dapat di mo sinasabi away nyo nung
Oh, sa
magulang.
magulang, no.
Kahit-
What I would say, okay, so I have a friend
Okay.
na ito yung sinabi sa kanya ng boyfriend niya. Well, you shouldn't tell people about our fights. Kasi
Okay.
ganito, ganyan. So, yung friend ko, sumunod, she never said anything to any of the friends.
Okay.
She never got any outside input.
Input.
Turns out, nung nag-break na sila, tas nakwenta na ni girl sa mga friends, they were like, what the dude, that's so abusive. We didn't know that was happening. He spoke to you that way? He would do that? And
Yeah.
parang that was the jowa's way of making sure that she didn't tell anyone.
Dependent.
It's
Maging dependent ka na. Okay.
And parang, so tuloy, no one knew how
Okay.
much of an asshole this
Yeah.
guy was
Okay.
pala. Kasi ganun mga narcissists, diba? Iba yung facade nila. Narcissists, let's use that loosely. Basically, they're very different to friends. And then behind
Yeah.
closed doors, they're like the fucking devil pala.
Pinaplastic
Yeah.
nila yung mga friends nila na best foot
Oo.
forward.
And
Yeah.
because
You're right.
of this, hindi nasabi ni girl to anyone. So wala siyang nakuhang support.
Okay.
She
Okay.
was talking about how she didn't know that it was abusive.
Alright.
But I think there's a level to this one na kailangan. Like for example, when Matt and
Balance,
I... Oo, balance talaga. When Matt and I argue, hindi yung parang, ay nako, nag-away na naman kami ni Matt. Ganito, ganyan.
Ang hirap kasi.
Iba yun.
Ang healthy naman ng relationship, biglang sasama ni tingin ng kaibigan mo dun sa partner mo. Kasi hala.
I don't tell my friends.
Oo.
Parang, I tell my siblings.
Ayun.
Because I trust my siblings and they...
Sa kapatid mo yun.
Yes. They're my siblings and they know, parang, I know that they're level-headed. And I know that they will give me advice. Kasi they call me out also. They call me out also na parang, I think you overreact a little bit. You need to just trust him. Yung mga ganon. So, I think you just need to choose which one. I think we go back to that. Parang, what kind of friend are they?
Hirap
Are they
kasi,
the tugs?
Tapos biglang mamarites na yung away niyo.
It's
ba?
I think it takes a certain level also of experience and maturity to know what you can talk about with your friends and what you shouldn't.
It comes with experience.
It comes with experience, diba? Because like, for example, same instance with your friend, I dated someone who would be like, you shouldn't be telling your friends about any of these things.
Okay.
And then when I say it, they're like, no, you should tell us when he does something bad. Which is why, like, for example, now when David and I fight, or do we even fight, like argue, it takes an awareness for me to know that this is something you can solve on your own and it's not bad enough. He's not doing bad things. When you tell people, it was an argument. But of course, when bad things are being done, that's when you need to be like,
different.
hey, is this okay that he did this? But otherwise, everything can be solved.
Depende sa argument.
Yes.
Yeah, like I don't tell my siblings all the time.
Yeah.
Exactly what you said. Yung parang, this is fine.
Yeah, we can talk.
Yeah.
Like, this is fine.
This is an argument. That's okay. It's normal.
Yeah.
Pero iba yung parang sometimes kasi I have trauma that I go to therapy for. I've been in treatment for PTSD.
Okay.
Diagnosed. Yeah. For maybe, I was in therapy for PTSD for like about 2 years. And the reason why I tell my siblings about it is because for that time, I couldn't trust
anyone.
I couldn't trust
yourself.
Myself.
Okay.
Kasi nagaslight ako to the point na hindi ko na na-trust yung
sarili mo.
Yung sarili ko. So, I needed my siblings to let me know, am I overreacting? Is this ano? So, that's when I would come to them. But now I don't do it. Kasi parang...
Okay na eh.
Yeah.
Ano ka na ulit? Nabuo mo na ulit yung self.
I trust myself already. I know my reality na. Ano na siya. Naka-recover na ako. Although I still have some flashbacks. Totoo pala yun.
Grabe, PTSD talaga. May flashback.
Oo. Totoo pala talaga siya.
Yeah.
But it doesn't happen as often anymore. So...
Damn.
Yeah. Wild.
Damn.
Okay.
So I think actually that was a very meaty discussion on friendships and categorizing the different types of friendships. I think...
Do you think we missed anything?
I don't know.
Ang sa akin lang, kailangan ko pang yung journey ko para magkaroon ng...
Yan ang assignment mo.
Yes.
Last time, yung pagiging late,
ginawa niya.
Ginawa natin.
Yes.
Next time, isang barangay, dala-dala ka dito. Dami na ako.
Ito na yung barkada ko.
Isang barangay.
Hindi, yung assignment mo involves all of us.
Yeah.
Mag-outing tayo.
Yes! Let's do a triple.
Yes!
Pwede.
Cute! Let's do it.
Sige. Patrick, okay ako dun after... After kong
all
ikasal.
of us. Yes!
When you get back from your honeymoon.
That's so fun.
Yeah, yan. Okay. Adi ako, okay. Kasi nga hindi ko nabanggit, di ba? Nabanggit mo yung nagtitrip kayo. Tapos naman na. Dati video games ako. Ngayon iniba ko na.
Ano?
Camperist na ako ngayon.
Camperist!
Also!
Camperist na ako. Bumili nga ako ng sasakyan para dyan eh.
Damn!
Si Matt din!
Wow!
Fishing.
Yun na!
Tamo, I knew it. I knew you guys be friends.
Tingnan mo.
Yeah.
Stick siya sa niya. Pagiging... Gusto ko lang balikan yung kabataan ko ba? Kasi masyado ng buildings ngayon. Ganun kami dati.
Gets.
Sabi na eh.
So, camperist.
Yan ang assignment. Yan ang assignment.
Perfect.
Okay, sige.
So I think we have all given our opinions on our friendships.
Okay.
And this is a friendship. Yeah.
Ano ba
You have to do that.
It's
You have to do jazz hands.
That's not...
It's okay. It's okay. You're learning. Hindi, ganito. I learn stuff from boy friendships.
Yeah.
And I think it's also beneficial when guys learn
From girl
Yeah.
friendships. Absolutely. Yeah.
Because friendships should not be gendered.
Yes. I love that.
Tama naman yun.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for joining us for this very meaty discussion. I hope you guys were able to
Yes.
see different opinions and maybe form your own from our
Yes.
discussion.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it. So I'm Aaron.
Attorney Anselmo.
And I'm Inka Magnaye. Thank you so much for oh my God. Where my brain? Thank you so much for joining us today. Bye.
Bye.
We love you.